Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to install the Amlogic driver on your Windows computer. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There you will find the link of this driver. You have to download the driver first, then you have to extract it on your computer. As you can see, I have already downloaded and extracted the driver on my computer. Let's quickly open the folder now. In the folder you will be able to see the following files. So let's quickly begin with the tutorial. Click on the exe file. Click on the next button. You can see drivers are installed successfully. Now if you are on Windows 8.1, right-click on this INF file and click on Install. So you can see drivers are installed successfully. Thank you for watching the video. Any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel.